Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to align your headlights on your 2012 or similar model year Tundras. First, you have to find some level ground with a wall in front of it of some sort. Then you're going to pull your truck about as close as you can to the wall. And as you see, I left about 8 inches there, so I just didn't want to damage the garage door here. The next step is to take some tape of some sort. We're going to tape the top of the headlight and right down the center so we can see where it's centered on. Now that we have both those tape, we're going to back the truck up about 2 car lengths or so, just enough to kind of see where the light moves. And once again, make sure you're doing this on level ground, otherwise it's not going to give you usable results. All right, I fully backed up about 1 car length because my driveway is not long enough here to keep them level. But as you can see, the headlights have already gone down a good bit. So what I have to do now is adjust these up onto the T where we started. What we're going to need to do now is pop the hood. And of course, to finish popping the hood, pull the little latch down here, up, and that should release your hood for you. So adjust this left headlight. I want to adjust it up right now. So down here, there's going to be a little nut. It's a 8mm nut. So I'm going to slide this ratchet over it. And it's a very small throw. Right now it is turning counterclockwise, so to the left kind of. And I'm just gonna keep doing this for a long time, and eventually that light should come up and reach that T. Pro tip, if you accidentally drop a socket somewhere down this area of your truck, it might end up falling right around there. All right, after about 2 to 3 minutes of doing those little movements, you can see now the top of this headlight is up to the top of that T. Now for the other side. I'm doing the same method on this side, and I'm just going to keep it going counterclockwise here and do this for about 2 minutes and raise that light up. I found the best method for this is just kind of put one finger, one thumb or something, and just do this for a long time. It just needs a little bit of pressure to move that screw. All right, and after many minutes of trying to jiggle the little screw down there in, we got them just about aligned here. It's kind of hard to see on the camera because it likes to focus out, but there we go. The tops of them are right where they're supposed to be with the T's. The last thing we have to do now is we can center it on that T horizontally. So you see it's a little bit over there. To center it on our T over there, we need to move it to the right a little bit. To do that, there's a adjustment screw right here, right in front of the battery. And it's kind of pretty easy. If you want the headlight to go that way, we turn it that way. If you want the headlight to go left, we turn it to the left. So I'm going to put my 8mm socket back on here and crank it to the right until that beam is centered on my T. And here we are after about 2 minutes of wrenching it righty-tighty to get it centered up. You can see that beam is pretty much centered on that T. Now it's time to do the other one. Same process. All right, and we got this one all squared up as well. It's nice and centered. They're both nice and centered. All it takes to align your headlights. Now your low beam's nice and aligned, and you can shut the hood on up and be good to go.